Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make white tone powder, white tone face powder. It is very popular nowadays. It brings whiteness to the face after applying it. The process of making white tone powder is very simple, easy, and anybody can make it. It's a only mixing process. For making white tone face powder, very few ingredients are required and they are very easily available in the market and very cheap in price. The business of white tone powder is very profitable. So if you want to do business of white tone powder, it will be very profitable for you because the manufacturing cost is very low and the selling price is very high. So let's start the video, friends. I will show you the raw material first, then I will make a video, full practical video of making white tone face powder. After completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials which I used in making white tone face powder. So friends, please watch my full video to understand it properly. Let's see what are the raw materials which I used in this process. See, this is magnesium silicate. It is also called in common language talc powder. It is white in color and very fine in texture. See, this is titanium dioxide. It is also white in color and powder form. See, this is fragrance, means perfume. You can take any perfume of your choice. So, let's start the process. First, I have taken an empty bowl. Then I am taking magnesium silicate. Now I am adding titanium dioxide in it. Now mix it properly. Mixing is very important. Mix it continuously for some time. For making in large quantity, mixer machine is also available in the market. Now I am adding few drops of perfume. You can take any perfume of your choice. See friends, white tone face powder is ready. Isn't it easy? Now I am applying it on my hands and showing you the result. Friends, Now I am telling you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. If you want to make 1 kg of powder, take 995 gram of magnesium silicate, means talc powder. You have to take very fine powder of magnesium silicate. Then take titanium dioxide 5 gram. Then mix both titanium dioxide and talc powder properly. After mixing properly, sieve the mixture. If after sieving, if some part of the mixture are left on the sieve, please grind it properly in your mixie or in any mixer machine. After sieving, you will find a very fine texture of white tone face powder. Now take this powder and put in a box. Now add 5 ml perfume in this powder and close the lid tightly. After closing the lid, shake the box for some time. Keep the box for 2-3 days and shake it properly 2 or 3 times in a day. After 3 or 4 days, your white tone powder will be ready to use. You can increase the quantity of perfume if you want strong smell, and you can decrease the amount of perfume if you want light fragrance. In this video, I have shown you adding perfume in an open container only to show you the process, but you should do in a closed container to retain the fragrance. You can add zinc oxide 2 grams. It's optional. Friends, one thing is very important. Before starting to make white tone face powder, please cover your face with face mask, otherwise you will inhale the powder. Friends, if you want to do business of this powder, there are machines available in the market which are called grinding machines. Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please like my video and share my video with all your friends and relatives. Friends, subscribe my channel. After subscribing, you will see a bell. Please press that bell. After pressing bell, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive all the notifications of my new video whenever I make a new video. So if you want to see my future videos, please press all button. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.